In this video, I'll talk about how you can become an affiliate for Temu. Now what you have to do is search for Temu referral and head over to the affiliate program. Click on this, and in here you just want to log into your account and follow a quick introduction to get access to this program. Now everyone gets accepted, so it should be really easy. And after that, you want to scroll down and you should be able to find your links. Now these are the links that you want to share with people, so you can click on this button right here if you want to copy the link. And when you share this with someone and they use it and they sign up using your link, you'll get a commission. So that is basically how it works. So you can see here for new app users, you'll get 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral. And you'll also get 10 euros for the download reward for every referral who downloads and order. Now you can click details to read all of the things they need to do before you get paid, but that is basically how it works. Now if you click here, you should also be able to see you'll have a link. Copy the link. If you don't want to copy this whole text, just click copy link and you'll have the link right here. So that is basically how the referral program works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.